Okay, my old T model, been putting this off for a long time. I got a low speed wobble sometimes when I get turned into a parking lot or something. So my axle threads is wore out in the bottom, and the top is wore where the axle pin goes through. And I'm going to shake it and show you a little bit how worn it is. You can see how much it moves, moving top and bottom. I'm going to take a period Stevens front end tool. I'm going to ream these threads out, put a new thread insert in that Dan Hatch makes. Going to ream the top out and put a tapered bushing in also that he makes. So I'll get it tore down and then we'll proceed later. Okay, we got it back now. We've got the spindle all off. Right here's the tap we're going to use. This one here is the original Stevens. It's got a reamer on the end of it, and as it cuts the threads out, then it screws on up and puts the threads back in. Here's the reamer we'll use on top. It's a little boogered up, but it still works okay. Might take a little longer to do it, but this is the one we'll use. This is the tapered sleeve that goes on top. This is the threaded insert that goes in the bottom. So we're going to turn the camera off now and set the tool up, and we'll be back. Okay, we got the tool all set back up now. Got the reamer in, the little washer goes in between here. So we're going to start cutting a while. Back the camera up a little bit so you can turn a little bit, green. Got my light about in the way. Use plenty of cutting oil. You see the shavings coming out. Keep making this video so long, I'm going to shut the camera off until we're getting about finished with it. Okay, I've stopped and to check how deep I've gone. See, I'm going to take the camera, put it over top of the hole, where you can see what it's doing. And here goes the tapered sleeve. I still like probably around 1/8 of an inch of getting it back to fit. So we'll put the tool back on and keep going a little more. Well, we're back on the, we got the bushing, got it all reamed out, and it's I don't know if Stevens did this or not, but I take a hacksaw and I split the bushing. Some of the truck differentials that hold the axles in had split bushings like this, and that way it'll tighten up on the spindle bolt, and also it'll pull down tight into the bore. And I've left it sticking up a little proud there, and so we're gonna get set up to ream the bottom threads out and thread it. We'll be right back. Okay, we got the tap into the Stevens axle fixture, and so we're gonna set it up and we're gonna start reaming. Cutting the old threads out now. I got a third hand here. By the way, my bushings were tight. I had put new spindle bolts and bushings in a little while back before I had got a hold of this Stevens tool. Now it's got up to the threading part of the threader. It's cutting new threads now. Alright, we got the bottom all threaded. Now here's the insert. I put a little blue thread locker on it. It don't really want to have to do it because it jams up in there anyway. The insert's got a little, it's not threaded all the way. So we're going to screw this up in. can. Loosen the lock nut. That completes their machining operation. Now just knock the burrs off and with a file and put the spindle bolt back on, and we'll show you how tight it is. Well, we got it back together here now. I'm going to do a little wiggling and show you how tight it is. No plate whatsoever. I hope you enjoyed looking at this video. See you later.